Hey Gemma, how you doing? Okay, so you're about to hear some loud noise right outside my studio door right here. They're working on some cement, so this is going to be a really, really loud noises. I apologize for that. Okay, let's take a look at your compositions. Good job. Love the illustration. I think the illustration itself I could use a little more contrast. In other words, maybe that either these areas could be a little bit lighter or the background could be a little bit darker. But I think we increase the contrast associated with the this formal element and its relationship to the background is really going to increase the visibility, improve the visibility, and increase the overall success of the overall composition. Now, I think one of the things that I'm seeing here is that this chair at the end of the table, to me, it doesn't really make sense. I think the wonderful part about this graphic is that it's abstract, but it says long dining room table, and I think that's really cool. It's got nice dimension, good perspective, and these chairs are abstract enough, but however clear enough to indicate chairs. This is a little problematic because there's one chair, there's not another chair at the other end of the table. I would remove that. Plus, it's interfering a little bit with without it. I think typographic placement's going to be a lot easier. Okay, this is an interesting composition here. I think this is the most successful of the four because to me, this has got the cleanest placement of typography. So I'm thinking, yeah, definitely the most effective. Now, what I would recommend is this Winziel style right here, this Winziel design. This style right here, it's a good typeface, but I wouldn't use, it's the same typeface as this, but it's got this kind of dimensional, kind of emboss feeling to it right here, but part of the typeface itself is white. I would not recommend that because it impedes readability at small sizes, and we can see that. See how it starts to fall apart a little bit at smaller sizes. I would recommend using a solid typeface right there instead of using that kind of beveled dimensional typeface. This is a nice relationship, this typeface with this script typeface. Very, very nice relationship. I think that the script typeface could even be presented in white because of the fact that it's on a dark background, so it's a little difficult to read. Okay, so yeah, those are my comments. I'm definitely interested in this composition. I would recommend moving forward in that direction. However, if you feel more passionate about any of the other three, please feel free to move forward in the direction that you feel to be the most effective. I think the relationship, one final comment is the relationship, the size relationship between Winziel design and distinctive style is a little bit, we kind of get this triangle here, which kind of gives the bottom a little bit of the bottom of the composition appears to be a little bit wobbly as it's almost forming a point. My recommendation there would be just to increase the size of distinctive style a little bit. And as I said, adding a white type there is going to add a little more visual weight there. It's going to really, really add a nice firm foundation to the composition. So, all right, any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you very much.